Alright everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Now, the last video I made on sports betting got crazy support. So, as you will see on my channel here, it has over 2,000 views right now. 2,158 views. I would never thought I actually would get this amount of views on this type of video, but now we're here and it's currently 2 weeks later. Some people are asking for updates, and here's the actual update video. So to be completely transparent, I'm gonna go into the accounts live right now. Just gonna move my camera over, minimize it. All right, so I'm gonna log into my account, and here we go. So to show you my exact winnings here, we're gonna go to since I started, which was April 21st till today, 27th of May, a total of 2,928 Swedish crowns. So that is 2,900. I'll just write that up. 2,918, and my total deposits for the same period of time since I started basically is in total 4,100, I believe. So we got 2,000, then we got another 1,000, then we got 200 plus 800 here, that's 4,000. 4,100. So I'm just gonna try to show you the amount of money that you can make, like on average, because 2,918 is more than half of 4,100, so the profit margin is large on this one. So we're just gonna go to the calculator here. So we got 2,918 divided by 4,100, and that's a 70% profit margin. So I made 70% of my money so far, and now I have more money than I had when I started. As you see, I have 4,600 instead of 4,100, but I also have a lot of money in specific bets currently. And my betting history looks like this. I got 4 losses in a row here, but then I got a bunch of wins, so on. So if you want to bet, how do you bet, and like what should you do? So I don't really believe in that you should do anything, but if you want to make some money, some extra money, I would recommend doing like maybe 20 bets per day, not 60, 70, or 100 like I said before. I'm just gonna enlarge my camera, and the simple reason for that is that if you do like 100 bets or 50 bets, first reason that you're not gonna do that is because you have a higher chance of getting banned by the sports books, and that we don't want, because then you can never come back. The second one is the second reason why you shouldn't do it is because it's really difficult to find high positive EV bets. So it's difficult to find overvalued bets. And the reason for that is that there's simply not that many mistakes that the sportsbooks make, so you can actually place on bets and make money on their mistake. They are pretty good. Or as you see right now, we just returned 287. Nice. So I'm going to show you the site I'm using, which is shortbet.com. I'm not affiliated, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's just a great site that I use. Shortbet.com, as I said. Go into value bets right here, as we're already here, and you will find bets. So for example, now we have one with an overvalue of 18%. So I'm going to do that one. I'm going to show you the process that I go through. So just click on it, and you'll be redirected to the your sportsbook page, and it's going to display up here exactly what kind of bet it is. So I'm going to move my camera. So up here it's going to display, so it's over 2.5 cards for the second team. So we're going to find out over 2.5 card. Place the bet. Boom. done. Close that page, go to the next one, and so on. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to probably do another update in like 30 days to see where I'm at. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep grinding. If you want an actual tutorial more extensive on how to bet, check out the last video because there we go over everything.